In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a sheet to a different spreadsheet in Google Sheets. We're going to move a single tab from one Google Sheets file into another, keeping your data and formatting intact. Start by opening the spreadsheet that contains the sheet you want to copy. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and that you have edit access to the destination spreadsheet you plan to copy into. That will save you time and prevent permission errors. Look to the bottom of the window for the row of sheet tabs. If you have many tabs, use the small left and right arrows to scroll until you see the one you want. On that tab, click the small drop-down arrow to open the Sheets menu. This is the context menu where you'll find options specific to that tab. From the menu, hover over Copy To. Don't click yet. Hovering shows the copy options. This tells Google Sheets you want to duplicate this tab somewhere else, rather than moving or duplicating it within the same file. Now click Existing Spreadsheet. This opens the file picker so you can choose where to place the copy. In the picker, search for the destination spreadsheet by name, browse your recent files, or navigate through your Drive folders. If your organization uses shared drives, you can switch to those as well. Select the spreadsheet you want to receive the copy. Confirm your selection by clicking Insert. Google Sheets will begin copying the entire tab, including its data, formatting, column widths, merged cells, conditional formatting, and formulas. Keep in mind, formulas that reference other sheets from the original file will still point to those original sheets, so you may need to adjust them once the copy is in place. Also note that the copy becomes a new tab in the destination spreadsheet, usually named Copy Of, followed by the original sheet name. When the copy finishes, you'll see a confirmation with an option to open the destination. Click Open to jump straight to the other spreadsheet and review the result. You should now see the newly added tab in that file. Take a moment to scan a few cells, especially those with formulas or references, to ensure everything behaves as expected. That's it. You opened the source spreadsheet, used the Sheet tab's dropdown to choose Copy To, selected Existing Spreadsheet, picked your destination, clicked Insert, and then opened the destination to verify the copy. If you like, you can rename the new tab and drag it into position later. This simple workflow is reliable, fast, and keeps your work organized across multiple files.